This is the moment when I know I'm on my way. Every endeavor I have made ever is coming into play. It's here now today. This is the moment. This is the time. The momentum and the moment are in right. Give me this moment, this precious chance. I'll gather up my past and make some sense at last. This is the moment when all I've done, all of the dreaming, scheming and screaming become one. This is the day, just see it shine, when all I've lived for becomes mine. Through all these years I faced the world alone, but now the time has come to show them I've made it on my own. This is the moment, my final test. Destiny beckoned, I never reckoned second best. I will look down, I must not fall. This is the moment, the greatest moment of them all. This is the moment, damn all the odds. This will never, I sit forever with gods. I will look back, I must not fall. This is the moment, the greatest moment. This is the moment of them all.
I can't believe you're even nervous. Like, have you heard yourself? No, sing. Do you hear yourself? Oh my god! Oh my god, that was amazing, Chris. I felt like I was on like front row seats of like the X Factor then. That was really good. Well done, Zoe.
Right, okay, so the first thing I wrote down in capitals as well was take a breather, because there was no need for you to be that nervous, honestly. That was really phenomenal. And I like how powerful your voice is as well, and like the vibrato, like I think it's like natural you do it, like the natural vibrato is really like nice, and your diction's really good as well. Like it's when you speak singing, it's really clear. And you were just captivating overall. Like I couldn't take my eyes off you. Like every little like hand gesture and like facial expression, it really like added to the performance. It was amazing. Well done.
Thanks, Zoe.
I think the vibrato was the one thing that really stuck out from the moment you opened your mouth. It was just so beautiful and controlled. And I love how you started off really emotional and really breathy, and it was really, really pure. But as the song built, you built. And I love the fact that you had all this passion, and you retained the passion throughout, but you didn't sort of lose your control. You made it look effortless, even though you were singing with everything that you had. It was an absolutely stunning performance. It was, honest to God, it was like, I feel like I could cry watching you. It was just amazing. You should be so proud of that. Well done.
Thanks, Kel. Joey?
Yeah, Chris, honestly, I mean, I know you're nervous today. Can I just ask, what sort of experience have you got within music? Have you done things like this before?
I've done a few live shows for charity and things like that, but I work as as a teacher, so
Right.
that takes the front, and then this is the hobby. So.
Yeah, but genuine now. So like this is Town Search Cymru, but this process has been running for 18 seasons. This is our 18th time doing this, and we've seen lots and lots of theatre singers across the way, and we've had some exceptional ones come to the platform. Some of them have gone on to represent also. But I was watching you, and I think it's one thing getting up there. For example, when I do a theatre song, I'm not a theatre singer, and it's not in my blood, but I'll just sing it as it is, you know. But there's one thing just singing it, and there's one thing where that person is meant to do it. There's a natural feel to how you use your voice, how you come across on there. Obviously, there was a little bit of nerves, and you coming away from the mic sometimes, but that's something that's easily resolved once you get comfortable in this environment like that. But I will say, I gotta say how I feel, and I personally feel watching that as an audition, for me personally, that is the best theatre vocal I've ever come across in any of these any of these seasons. That's how I generally feel. It was how you used your voice in there, and I was watching, I was like, wow, this guy is something else, and you really are, and that is genuine, and I wouldn't say it if I generally didn't mean it. I've seen lots of theatre singers, and I generally believe you're the best I've ever seen. Honestly, well done. You smashed that, and if that's the way you're going to start an audition, God knows how you're going to be over the next couple of rounds, because that was sensational. Honestly, but the nerves will naturally just go. Just take your time with it. Do what you got to do. There is things you'll pick up, like performing in eye contact. You'll get used to those things. But that as an audition, that was special. A very special moment. I really believe. Well done, buddy.